Sweden is set to enhance Ukraine's air defense capabilities with the upcoming transfer of its TRIDON Mk2 air defense system. This move is part of a broader €100 million aid package aimed at reinforcing Ukraine's ability to counter aerial threats. Swedish Defense Minister Pål Jonson officially announced the aid package, which amounts to 1.2 billion Swedish kronor, approximately €107.7 million or $112.8 million, highlighting Sweden's ongoing support for Ukraine's security efforts. The TRIDON Mk2 is a state-of-the-art anti-aircraft system mounted on a mobile platform and operated remotely. Featuring a 40mm gun, it boasts an impressive operational range of up to 12 kilometers, offering significant coverage against various airborne threats. Developed by BAE Systems, this advanced system is designed to neutralize drones, cruise missiles, aircraft, and even armored vehicles, making it a versatile component of Ukraine's defense network. During a recent visit to Kyiv, Jonson reaffirmed Sweden's commitment to Ukraine, stating, "For 3 years the people of Ukraine have been fighting for freedom and security, not just for themselves but for all of us. Today, we are allocating €100 million to enhance Ukraine's air defense." This announcement comes at a crucial time as Ukraine continues to fortify its defensive capabilities against ongoing threats. One of the key advantages of the TRIDON Mk2 is its cost-effectiveness compared to traditional missile defense systems. With roots dating back to 1936, the system leverages nearly 90 years of technological advancements to provide a reliable and efficient response to aerial attacks. Its modular architecture and adaptability allow for seamless integration with emerging defense technologies, ensuring it remains relevant on the battlefield. The TRIDON Mk2's design prioritizes ease of deployment, allowing for rapid repositioning to counter shifting threats. Its sensor suite and ammunition capabilities can be adjusted based on mission requirements and environmental factors, maximizing its defensive potential. Moreover, its relatively low maintenance requirements make it an attractive option for sustained operations. In addition to the TRIDON Mk2, Sweden's aid package includes supplementary air defense reinforcements such as additional RBS-70NG units and other portable defense solutions sourced through international partnerships. Jonson emphasized the need for continued support, stating, "Despite 3 years of war, Russia has failed to defeat Ukraine. We must persist in backing Ukraine's fight for sovereignty and security." This assistance package reinforces Sweden's dedication to strengthening Ukraine's defensive resilience while aligning with broader international efforts to support the country's security infrastructure. As developments unfold, Sweden continues to work on finalizing the specifics of this critical air defense contribution, further demonstrating its commitment to regional stability.